Ladies free with a college athlete. Same time, same place. Tuesday, show your skill showcase. If you ain't in club escape on Tuesdays, you in the right. You in the right, you in the motherfucking way. But if you serious about your music and you got the second one, club escape, show your skill showcase. Every Tuesday, I be putting home for my city. Hold up, first thing first, free big kid. Now we're back to the business. Tuesdays, you will witness the largest showcase in 804 history. Richmond, VA, it's our time now. Show your skill Tuesdays, we here to put it down. 814 West Church Street, the heart of downtown. Middle of VCU, my vote from Union swinging through. Color take on Tuesdays, it's free before 9. With a college ID, registration 25. Get there before 9. If you're trying to perform, better get there early for the lines get long. Get there before 8. If you're trying to perform, better get there early for the lines get long. Tuesdays like Fridays, to show your skill showcase. We got promo prizes and we can give away. J30 no promotions came up the whole season. Shouting on the boys and two. Make it jump, show your skill Tuesdays. Club escape, that's what it is. Undisputedly, we're real. 804 talent live. Every Tuesday, you know where to be. Ladies free with a college athlete. Same time, same place. Tuesday, show your skill showcase. Yeah, what it Dooski Club Escape. I'm J30, the promotions king, and you at Show Your Skill Showcase. Richmond, Virginia's largest, most consistent showcase with 80 plus consecutive weeks back to back. We done been through 3 clubs, and we done set it down every time we done touched this motherfucking mic. I got my main man, DJ Shawty, on the 1s and 2s. I got my main man, Tax, of NPR International, on the videography. And y'all my motherfucking folk. The artists that Show Your Skill Showcase, those that make this shit right here possible, man. So if you serious about your music and you ain't playing this year with this Richmond rap shit, make some motherfucking noise. Y'all ain't serious? Look, if y'all niggas trying to get some money fucking with this Richmond rap shit, make some motherfucking noise. Y'all niggas ain't trying to get, y'all trying to be on the block forever? Y'all niggas ain't trying to get paid with this Richmond rap shit? Look, real talk, man. Man, I was doing a little research on showcases and performances and all of that shit, and I came across something that said that your time is just as important as your talent. It's mandatory that you put in 10,000 hours before you even think to start seeing any results. I want to know how many people in here think they close to their 10,000. Because 10,000 hours, if you do the math, that's over 500 weeks. So, real talk, it take a long time, so y'all need to make sure that time plus talent equal the success that you're trying to have. It's cool we come up here because we want to show off them hot-ass songs we got, them hits, whatever, but the fact of the matter is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is just as important as Tuesday. Make sure y'all putting in that time throughout the week, and then you come here and show off. You know what I'm talking about? So make sure that every day of the week, putting it down for this rap shit, because if you trying to make some bread with this shit, man, it can't be a part-time grind. This shit gotta be full-time. You already know I ain't here to talk your motherfucking head to death. We here to goddamn get it poppin' so already. So without further ado, first up to the motherfucking stage. Let me get Infamous 804. Infamous 804 to the motherfucking stage. Hey, y'all alright? We good? We ain't canceling the showcase another night, is it? Y'all in here, right? We ready to get it in, right? Yeah. Man, show them niggas some love, man. Infamous 804.